Zinkunga bulkan trandon chi yani step khat pe nang kania abul tran na chuanin ka theilo mai theini ti ni ngai to mai thei ani mi te chuanin chu thil chu I te thei ngai lo ti na ril thrin ang chai chu thil chu I thian te le I chung te ne na tang pani hri thin anga ma se chung thil chu ngai poi mo du sung che malam pan kal zel ro hei hi hrian masak tur chu ni steps khata tang khani steps so mai le thei to chuanin step sang khat leng poin chuan I thil tum chu I bul ka om ta mi te chuanin mi te angin I thei ve lawng I thiam chung lawng ti na thin chenga se hei hi hret tur chu ni nangma khain ring tok ro thei tura in ngai chuanin I thei anga theilo tura in ngai chuanin I thei don lo ni Hey video hoi milo share sake milo comment saka milo subscribe sak buk turin kangen cheu
I had to share this video with you because when I started watching it myself, I said there's no way that this baby is gonna reach the top of this rock climbing wall. That's insane. Babies are not rock climbers, and I was totally wrong. When I started watching it, I didn't know what to expect, but somehow the baby has the bravery to climb up that wall, and I know they have the protective mats there and the parents are right there, but still, it's amazing, and it goes to show you the people who get stuff done, it's not necessarily because they are stronger. This is just a baby, right? It doesn't mean they're smarter, but the people who do stuff are so often just the ones who try and the ones who work hard. That's the big secret. There have been so many things in my life where I've done them and it's not because I've got a special talent. It's just because I try things and I work harder than everyone else. So I hope this video inspires you to do the same, and I hope you will help me to share it with all of your friends. Thank you, guys.